4 days after two young Indians were crushed to death by a speeding Porsche driven by a 17-year-old in Pune, the Pune police have registered a new case inserting section 185 of the Motor Vehicles Act in the FIR for driving under the influence of alcohol. The suspect, the son of powerful Pune builder Vishal Agarwal, has already been booked for culpable homicide. The accused appeared before the juvenile court on Wednesday. The police have moved the Juvenile Justice Board, demanding that the accused be sent to an observation home and be tried as an adult in the case. All of this under pressure from India Today's relentless coverage over the last 4 days. The suspect's father, Vishal Agarwal, was produced in court after being arrested following absconding for 2 days. As he was brought to court, someone threw ink at him amid chants of Vande Mataram. A crackdown has begun after it emerged that the minor accused and his friends were served alcohol at 2 pubs in violation of rules. While some pubs faced bulldozer action, others were served notices to comply with rules set by the Pune Municipal Corporation. The families of the 2 young victims, Anish and Ashwini, are in shock. Not only is there anger over the easy bail granted to the minor, but fury over the alleged continuing VIP treatment to the accused and his family.
अडल्ट ट्रीटमेंट होना चाहिए उसका। वो नाबालिग नहीं है। कोई भी नाबालिग होता तो इतनी बड़ी कार लेके बाहर शराब पी के और ये ऐसे नहीं करता है, क्योंकि घर के पेरेंट्स ही उसको इतनी इजाजत नहीं देते हैं कि आप ऐसा करो, और ये गलत है। वो अडल्ट है, इसलिए उसको पूरी वो सजा मिलनी चाहिए। मेरे बेटे को न्याय मिलनी चाहिए और मैंने अपने बेटा खोया है, इसलिए मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है महाराष्ट्र सरकार से तो मेरे बेटे को न्याय दिलवाए।
The accused got bail from the Juvenile Justice Board within just 14 hours after the accident. He was asked to write a 300-word article on the accident as one of the conditions for his bail, something that has continued to outrage India. The accused won't be given a driving license till he turns 25, as if the lack of a license stopped him from what he did that night. He can't get the car involved in the accident registered at any RTO for a year. But are any of these enough punishment for a person who claimed the lives of 2 innocents, is the question everyone's asking. India Today's big coverage forces the police to take stricter action, that much is clear. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Fadnavis has also assured justice. India Today's spotlight will not shift. With Omkar Wable in Pune, Bureau Report, India Today. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.